if any step you have some problem, you can freely ask me, okay? Anywhere, anytime. So first of all, I am going to discuss this method, how to solve any first order, first degree differential equation using this method, separation of variables. Which method? This method is called separation of variables. Separation of variables. That means if any differential equation, there are two variables, y and x, dy dx equal to f of xy. This is the differential equation of in which there are two variables x and y. So this is the first order, first degree differential equation. So if it is exact only when it can be written as in this form also. In our previous class, we have already discussed m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Now tell me, this equation is exact when this equation is exact? Anyone can tell me?
ডেল্টা এম বাই ডেল্টা ওয়াই ডেল্টা এন বাই ডেল্টা এক্স যখন
That's very good. Del m del y equal to del n del x. Then that equation is exact. Okay. Next, what is separation of variables? Okay, this method is separation of variables. That means, suppose for example, look at this example. Suppose this is a differential equation. You can check here. This is not a exact differential equation. Okay, this differential equation in the form m dx plus n dy, and if you calculate del m del y and del n del x, you can check that these two are not equal. Okay, so this equation is not exact. If this is not equal, then not exact. If it is equal, then the differential equation is exact. But what is the method separation of variables? This method says that there are three steps. First step is separation of variables. That means first of all separate the variables. Okay, so if this equation is, then step one, there are three steps. Step one, separation of variables. Matlab fxy can be written as f1x into f1y, f2y. Means separate the function of x and function of y. Separation means separate x and y. Okay. Next, step 2, there are three steps. Step 2 is next, separating variables. You will get here dy, separate y, x side, and another side only x, f1 x, f1 x. Step 2 is clear. Means separate from left hand side. In the left hand side only y, and in the right hand side only x. And next, step 3, integrate both the sides. Because here in left hand side this is the only function of y, and in right hand side this is the only function of x. And you can easily integrate this, and you will get a arbitrary constant. Step only. First of all, suppose in example 1, look at here. There are two problems, dy dx equal to this and dy dx equal to this. Okay. So first of all, suppose dy dx equal to this. Solve. Solution of the problem A. How to solve? Problem A is dy dx equal to e to the power x minus y plus x square e to the power minus y. Okay. So first of all, step 1, separate function of x and function of y. So this can be written as
ex
e to the
by
power x into e to the power minus y plus x square into e to the power minus y. This is
e to the
equal
minus
to e
9
to the,
common level.
okay, very good. So this is done. Next step, so dy dx equal to this. Ultimately, we will get dy dx equal to this. Okay. Next step, left hand side only y. So dy by e to the power minus y equal to e to the power x plus x square into dx. Next step 3, integrating both sides. Okay, integrating both sides and you will get the required answer easily. You can integrate here. This means e to the power y, e to the power minus y means e to the power y dy. Integration this, integrating left hand side and also integrating right hand side, e to the power x plus x square dx, and take any arbitrary constant. Okay, so which implies integration of e to the power y is e to the power y,
e to the power y,
e to the power x is e to the power x, x square means x cube by 3 plus c. This is the required solution. Now anyone can tell me the solution represents which type of curve? Only one curve or more than one curve? This is a solution y equal to function of x. If you take logarithm, then y equal to log of this. So anyone can tell me which is the geometrical interpretation of this solution? That means this solution represents which type of curve? A unique curve or more than one curve or a family of curves? Here C is any arbitrary constant. This is the general solution. Okay, this is the general solution of the given differential
unique
equation.
curve.
Unique curve. All of you agree? This is the general solution. This is the general solution where C is any arbitrary constant. C is any arbitrary constant. So you can take C equal to 0, C equal to 1, C equal to minus 3, C equal to 4, C equal to 10, C equal to 100. C is arbitrary constant means any arbitrary constant, any. C can take any value. Okay. So there are infinitely many solutions. Clear? Because here you can take C equal to 0, C equal to 1. If you take C equal to 0, then you will get one solution, e to the power y equal to this. If you take C equal to 1, then you will get another solution, e to the power y equal to this plus 1. Clear? So this is general solution, matlab here C is any arbitrary constant. So this solution represents a family of curves, okay? Not only one curve, a family of curves. Clear? All of you clear? If we put here C equal to 0, then you will get a particular solution. So what is particular solution? If we put C equal to something, then you will get a only one curve. That means solution of that original differential equation, there is a particular solution. Okay? Clear? Okay. So there are some problem in where you can take C in the specific form. Okay, any suitable form. You can choose in any suitable form C. You can take C equal to suppose C by 3. You can take C equal to C can be chosen as C by 3. Somewhere you can choose log C. Okay, somewhere you can choose e to the power C. Somewhere you can choose sin C, etc. Okay. C can take this. You can choose C in this form also. Okay, any suitable form. Suppose here in the solution e to the power x by 3, x by 3. So if we take C equal to C by 3, then the solution is a specific form, a suitable form. Okay, so in any, there are some problems where you can take C equal to this or this form. Okay. So problem number B, second problem you can solve, try yourself. Okay. Problem 2, next type. This is, look at this problem. This is very important problem in real life. Find the curves passing through 0, 1 and satisfying this. First problem. And second problem is, if dy dx is this and it is given that this, find y when x equal to -1. There are two problems. So first problem, solution of the problem 1. Find the curves passing through the point 0, 1. Passing through the point 0, 1. 0, 1 means here 0, 1 means x comma y passing through the point xy. Xy means 0, 1. That means passing through the point 0, 1. That means when x equal to 0, the point x comma, when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Passing through this point 0, 1. And satisfying this differential equation. Differential equation is here, sine of dy dx equal to c. So first of all, we have to solve the given differential equation. And next, using that initial condition, you will get the required curves. Clear? Question is that find the curves passing through the point and satisfying this differential equation. So first of all, you have to solve the given differential equation. So this implies dy dx equal to
Sin inverse 6. Sin inverse C.
sin inverse c. So where c is constant. And next, second step, dy equal to sin inverse c into dx. Next, integrating both the sides, you will get integrating
both sides.
So y equal to here sin inverse x into x. So x into sin inverse c plus c dash, suppose. Here c is present, so another arbitrary constant c dash. Where c dash being any arbitrary constant. Okay, c dash being any arbitrary constant. So this is the general solution. Okay, this is the general solution. Next, here using the condition, find the curves passing through the point 0, 1. So that means when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Okay, so using that condition, passing through the curve, this curve, if this curve passing through the point 0, 1. So this is number, suppose 1, or the curves 1, if 1, since according to our question, 1 passes through the point 0, 1. So put here y equal to 1, x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So 1 equal to x equal to 0, 0 into sin inverse c plus c dash. So this implies c dash equal to 1. So put here c dash equal to 1 here in the equation 1. So 1 reduces to the solution, 1 reduces to y equal to x sin inverse c plus 1. Okay, so this is the particular solution. Okay, this curve passing through this given condition, this curve satisfy the given condition. So this is a particular solution. Okay, and this is general solution. Okay, or this can be written as, or y minus 1 equal to x sin inverse c, or this can be written as y minus 1 by x equal to sin inverse c, or which implies sine of y by x, y minus 1 by x equal to c. You can write in this form also. Okay, suitable form. All of you clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So question number 2, B, problem 3B. All of you can do it, I think. Problem number B. Here dy dx equal to this. First of all, solve this, and
Yes,
finally
yes.
using this initial condition, and you will get. And here question is that find y when x equal to -1. Okay. First of all, using that initial condition, you will get the value of c, arbitrary constant, and putting the arbitrary constant, you will get the particular solution. And after that, when x equal to -1, find y. So put y x equal to -1, and then you will get the value of y. Okay. All of you can solve this, because in this type, one MCQ question uh, in this type,
Okay,
one
sir.
MCQ question comes. Okay, in exam. Also, problem number 2, next type. Look at this problem. There are 3 problems. How to solve this type of problem? There are 3 problems. Look at this problem. Tell me which problem I solved. There are 3 problems. So every problem, yes. So 9. Solve B. Okay, very good. Thank you. Solve B. So problem is here 3 e to the power x into tan y dx plus 1 minus e to the power x into sec square y dy equal to 0. So first, step 1, separate x and y. This is a step 1 in this method. So separating the variables, you will get separating the variables. We get here 3 e to the power x dx. Okay, so 3 e to the power x dx. So 3 e to the power x. If we divide both sides by 1 minus x square, 1 minus e to the power x, this is into dx plus sec square y by tan y into dy to 0. All of you understood this line?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next, step 2. After separating, you will get integrating both sides. So integrating. Integrating both sides, you will get here integration plus here also take integration sec square y by tan y dy. Here integrating 3 constant. So this integration of this is, anyone can tell me integration of this is? Anyone can tell me integration of this?
উপরে 1 minus e to the power x plus 1 by integration of
Logarithm of 1 minus
1 minus
e.
x.
Here minus sign, because derivative of denominator is minus e to the power x. Okay. So this plus tan y, derivative of tan y is sec square y. So log of tan y.
Log 10y.
of tan y.
Okay. Which is log c in suitable form, where c is any arbitrary constant. Okay, so which implies minus 3 log this, so this ultimately log tan y equal to log c plus 3 log 1 minus e to the power x, which implies log tan y, so log tan y equal to tan y equal to 3c into 1 minus e to the power x. No. 1 minus e to the power x whole power cube. All of you clear? Any problem? Step jump किया है. Yeah, this can be written as log this whole power cube. Okay, whole
Yes, sir.
power
Yes,
cube.
sir.
3. So next product rule, log a plus log b equal to log a into b, and next both side a cancellation of log, you will get tan y equal to this. Okay. So where c is any arbitrary constant, this is the general solution of the given differential equation.
सब 3 नहीं होगा फिर लास्ट स्टेप में.
हाँ, लास्ट स्टेप में 3 नहीं होगा. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given differential equation. So there are another two solutions. Another two is in the similar way you can solve
Sir.
another two. Yes.
राइट में ही अगर लास्ट थर्ड स्टेप में अगर माइनस को लॉग के अंदर ले ले तो एक्स प्लस -1 हो जाएगा. लॉग एक्स -1 तो वो गलत हो गया.
कौन सा
लास्ट 3 स्टेप में अगर माइनस को अगर लॉग के अंदर ले ले तो लॉग एक्स प्लस एक्स -1 हो जाएगा. तो
हाँ,
वो भी तो हो सकता है ना.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि माइनस लॉग एक्स मीन्स लॉग माइनस एक्स नहीं है. ठीक है, लॉग ऑफ माइनस एक्स ऐसे नहीं है इन जनरल. माइनस लॉग 2 कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू, यू कैन नॉट राइट दिस इज log of -2. Okay,
हाँ.
you cannot write because negative logarithm does not exist also. Okay, log के अंदर तुम नेगेटिव नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि sin x cos x इसके अंदर तुम नेगेटिव ले सकते हो, क्योंकि sin ऑफ माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ sin x, cos ऑफ माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू
माइनस होल पावर पे चला जाएगा, अंदर नहीं जाएगा.
जी, यस. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम हो गया. सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम is this. There are some problem you cannot separate x and y independently. Okay, there are some problems you cannot separate x and y, like as this problem. Suppose in this problem, look at here, dy dx equal to this. So here if you try to separate both x and y independently, then we cannot do it. देखो. So then how to solve this type of differential equation? This is called, there is a heading, transformation of some equations. Look at here, transformations of some equations in the form in which variables are separable. Transformation of some equations, differential equations, in the form in which variables are separable. Okay, so that means like as using the method of substitution, you can integration over something. If you put something equal to z, that is called method of separation of variables. Integration by method of substitution. Similarly here, method of substitution matlab you can put here something equal to v or another variable, and after that transformation of some equation, suppose putting here something equal to v or z, and then you will get the differential equation, and after that you can separate the variables also. Like us here, suppose look at this equation, third equation. Suppose if you try to separate both x and y independently, then you cannot do it. So in this type of problem, dy dx equal to, you can write here, if we put 4x plus y plus 1 equal to v, so this is v square. If we put 4x plus y plus 1 equal to v, okay, put this. Clear? Next, if we have differentiate both sides with respect to x, so 4 into derivative of x is 1 plus dy dx derivative of 1 is 0 equal to dv dx. Okay. So dy dx equal to
dv dx minus 4.
dv dx minus 4. So put dy dx equal to this here. In this given problem, dy dx equal to dv dx minus 4 equal to v square. Next, dv dx equal to v square plus 4. Okay, clear? Next, look at this equation. You can separate v and x also. Here, there are two variables v and x now.
dv by v square plus
Okay, next
square.
separate. Next, use separation of variables method. Method
by
of
2
separation
square.
of variables. And next,
Yes.
integrating, you will get integrating both sides. So here dv by v square plus 4. Tell me integration of this. Integration dx plus c.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 tan inverse v by
Tan
2.
inverse. Tan
v by
inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by 2
1
tan
by
inverse
2 tan inverse v
v
by
by
2.
X by
v by 2. Okay.
v by 2.
Equal to x plus
X plus c.
c. Next, finally, so here dy dx, there is no dy dx, and finally you will get v equal to this, and you will get the required answer. So finally here, so c can take, you can take c can c dash, suppose first of all, c dash is arbitrary constant. So tan inverse v by 2 equal to
2x plus 2c dash.
2x plus
2c dash.
2c dash. So tan of 2x plus 2c dash, tan of tan inverse v. So v by 2 equal to tan of
1
2x
2x
plus 2c dash, and you will get v equal to 2 into 2c dash. So v, put value of v is 4x plus y plus 1 equal to 2 into tan of 2x plus 2c dash means suppose c here. Okay. Finally c equal to 2c dash. 2 is an arbitrary constant. Okay. Integrating constant. So yeah, this is the required solution. If any problem, you can ask freely. Okay. If anyone have any problem, you can ask freely. Any problem? All of them clear?
yes.
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, yes. Okay. Here problem number A and B. These two problems are same also. Okay. So now tell me, in
So
problem A,
3y plus 2x equals to z.
cy plus 2x equal to z. Okay. Very good. This is can be equal to z or b. You can put b. Okay. In general, any putting here in differential equation, you can put this equal to v. Okay, not z. Because there are some problem where z means z is a function of x and y. You can put also, but here always try to put this equal to v. Okay.
b.
Okay. So this type of problem done. Any problem?
No sir.
Okay. So in this type एक प्रॉब्लम आएगी एग्जाम में जो ऐसे टाइप का प्रॉब्लम रहेगी जहां से तुमको पुटिंग करने के बाद नेक्स्ट यूजिंग द सेपरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल मेथड यूज करके तुमको सॉल्यूशन निकालना है. एंड नेक्स्ट लास्टली नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल है, हम रीड करेंगे लास्टली होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन आएगा 100%. ओके. व्हाट इज द होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन? हम एक एक्सरसाइज भेज देंगे, ठीक है, तो तुम सब लोग मिल के ट्राई करना. अगर कोई भी किसी की कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझसे आप कर सकते हैं बाद में, ठीक है। इनबॉक्स में कोई भी एक व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज करके चेक कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, कोई भी एक। क्योंकि बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम है, तुमको लगे कि जो ठीक है, लेकिन बाद में पता चलता है उसको आंसर में कुछ मिस्टेक है और कुछ गलती भी किया है। तो इसलिए कोई भी एक जो एक्सरसाइज हम भेज देंगे वो सॉल्व करना, क्योंकि वही वहां से भी कुछ क्वेश्चन आएगी। So next, what is homogeneous differential equation? First of all, what do you mean by homogeneous? Homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation means कोई भी equation. When you can say homogeneous? Homogeneous means power of, if suppose x square plus y square, every term x y y square, this is the homogeneous term.
স্যার
In
যখন
the first term,
কোনো y equals to vx something তবে স্যার
this is the actual solution procedure, but homogeneous equation means, in look at this equation here, power of every term x square है y square, degree of each term x into y, तो प्रोडक्ट है इसका डिग्री है 1 plus 1 is 2. So if degree of each term of any expression is same, then that expression is called homogeneous ultimately. If any expression each term here x square है, तो ये degree of the this term first term is 2, y square तो degree of the term is 2, x y तो degree of the term 1 plus 1, here product, so product means 1 plus 1, so 2. So if degree of each terms of any expression is same, then that expression is called homogeneous. Homogeneous means same, similarity रहेगी. That means when a differential equation is called homogeneous, that is a very simple. First of all, dy dx equal to any equation can be written as function of x comma y. Okay, something function of suppose g of x comma y. In this form में रहेगी first order, first degree differential equation. So it is called homogeneous. Suppose g of x y, it is called homogeneous. This differential equation is called homogeneous. Homogeneous if and only if this equation can be written as in this form, dy dx equal to f of y by x, function of y by x. in this form में हम लिख सकते हैं. If you can write dy dx equal to f of y by x, then you can say original differential equation is homogeneous. Otherwise, it is non-homogeneous. Clear? If we can write dy dx equal to f of y by x, then that the original differential equation is called homogeneous. Clear? Okay. Suppose in the first problem here, there are some problem. It is homogeneous or not. First of all, check it. So how to check? So problem number 1, A. Solution of problem number A. Here problem is x2. Three x square y dy equal to 0. This is an equation. So this equation, first of all, this equation can be written in this form. If this equation
It's
can be
homogeneous.
written in this form, then you will call this is the homogeneous equation. First of all, dy dx. So what is dy dx here? So dy dx equal to minus x cube plus
q plus
3x
3xy square divided by
y cube
y
plus
cube
3x square y. Okay. It is of the form function of y by x. So how to write in this form? Y by x, function of y by x. This is minus. If we divide here term, the degree of each term is 3 here. Look at here, x cube power 3. 3xy square power 1 plus 2, 3. Y cube power is 3. 3x square y power is 3 also. So y by x. So if we divide power is 3x cube, x cube. If we divide both the sides by x cube, so plus 3 into y square by x square means y by x whole square. If we divide both the sides by x cube, y by x whole cube plus 3 into y by x. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Both the numerator and denominator, if we divide by x cube, then you can write this. So here y by x, देखो here every term variable y by x. So this is the function of y by x.
Sir, why we are not dividing with x? Why?
Because here x is independent. Here we divide x cube by x cube. Okay, if we divide by here, you can write this equation also in this form, but this is not actual definition. Dx dy by g of x by y. You can write in this form also. Okay, but this is not actual definition because why? Here is your solution. Here y is function of x always. ठीक है? Here x is independent, but y is not independent variable. Okay. So always we try to put the here x is independent variable and y is the dependent variable. And for that reason, always you can try to write the differential equation in this form also. It is the definition actual. You can write dx dy equal to some function of x by y also, but actual definition is, this is the definition. A differential equation is said to be homogeneous if dy dx equal to function of y by x. If you can write in this form, then you call the original differential equation is homogeneous. Okay. And for that reason, our target is to write in that equation of the form function of y by x. And for that reason, we divide both the sides, both the numerator and denominator by x cube. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Since in this form we write, so this is the homogeneous differential equation. So what is the solution procedure here? Solution procedure is here only one step, putting every homogeneous differential equation, by putting y equal to v of x, where v is a function of x and y equal to v of x. If we put y equal to v of x or y by x equal to v, or that means y by x equal to another function v. V equal to y by x, if we put this, then you will get another variable v here, and after that you can solve easily by using the method of separation of variables. Okay, so putting here only one putting in this type. In any homogeneous equation, only putting is y equal to vx. So put y equal to vx. First of all, y equal to vx. Next, dy dx. What is dy dx? V into
V
derivative of x is
V
1
plus x
x
dv by
into
dx.
dx by dv by dx.
So dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. So put here number 1 here. Therefore, dy dx means v plus x dv dx equal to minus of 1 plus 3 v square. Y by x means v by v cube plus 3v. Okay. Where x dv dx, x dv dx equal to minus of 1 plus 3v square 3v minus of v, so which implies x dv dx equal to if you v cube plus 3v LCM, so this is ultimately minus v4 minus of 1 plus 3v square minus v4 minus 3v square, so equal to v4 minus v4 minus 6v square minus 1 by v cube plus 3v. Clear? This is x dv dx. Next, you can use by method of separation of variables. X dv dx equal to v, so separate v and x.
sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me. Any problem? So next, so how to solve this problem? dv by dv into coefficient of dv is v cube plus 3v with negative sign by v4 plus 6v square plus 1 into dv equal to dx by x. Next, just solve here minus sign, okay, minus common here, minus sign. So next, integrating both sides. So how to integrate here? This integration of left hand side, right hand side is log x, very clear, but integration of left hand side, how to integrate this? What is the integration, value of this integration?
So 6v square plus v का power 4 plus 1 by 3.
If a derivative of this is 4v cube plus 12b.
Sir, first
12b. So
put
First-
sir, denominator to suppose the by substitution method.
yes. Also directly you can find this. Directly how find, because here derivative of denominator is this ऊपर देखो 4 into dx by dx. If we multiply for both sides and then after integrating you will get minus of log of clear, because derivative of this is this ऊपर equal to 4 log x.
Yes, sir.
4 log x. So arbitrary constant, you can take arbitrary constant is log c here, okay? Log c, so it will be better. So you can take arbitrary constant right hand side, also you can take left hand side. Okay. It is your choice. So suitable, which is suitable, if you, anyone can take log c left hand side or anyone can log c right hand side. Anyone can take only c also, but which is suitable. If you can take log c, then log is cancelled from both the sides. Then here log c, if we take log c left hand side, then the solution is log c equal to log of x4 plus log of v4 plus 6v square plus 1 c equal to x4 into v4 plus 6v square plus 1, and finally you put value of v is y by x, and you will get v is y by x. V is y by x means y4 by x4, y square by x square plus 1, and you will get c equal to y4 plus 6x square y square plus x to the power 4. This is the required solution. Okay, any problem? Also in this expression you can write in this expression also in this form also. Here another form, c equal to x square plus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. In this form, you can write in this form also. So all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, here every problem number B, C, D, E. And look at this problem D and E. These are same. Okay, here every power is 3. Every power is 2, 1, 3, 3. So this is also homogeneous. If it is homogeneous, so एग्जाम में ऐसे क्वेश्चन रहेगा सिर्फ सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ओके, तुमको पहले देख के डिसाइड करना पड़ेगी जो ये क्वेश्चन दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज होमोजेनियस और नॉट, इट इज एग्जैक्ट और नॉट. ओके, so solution procedure is there only. First procedure is if it is exact, then integration m dx and integration n dr, and you will get the answer, solution of the differential equation. This is the first method, exact differential equation. If it is not exact, then using the method of separation of variables. Okay, method of separation of variables means if you separate both x and y, and then you will get easily integrate this, and you will get easily solution of the differential equation. And third method, if you can see this is homogeneous. Okay, if it is homogeneous, then you can solve the following differential equation in this way by putting y equal to vx. Okay. Here number D and E both are homogeneous, and it is very simple also. Okay. And number B is homogeneous. Tell me x dy minus y dx equal to this into dx.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, root whole power half means root. So तुमको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगी, क्योंकि तुमको देखने के बाद तुमको पता चलना चाहिए जो इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज होमोजेनियस और नॉट, or it is how to solve. It is using the method of separation of variables, or it is exact, or it is not exact. Okay. तो तुमको पहले जो क्वेश्चन रहेगी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, वो देख के पहले देखना पड़ेगा वो एग्जैक्ट और नॉट, होमोजेनियस और नॉट. इफ इट इज होमोजेनियस, देन यू अप्लाई दिस मेथड. सो अच्छा, दिस वन देखो, ये वाला इम्पोर्टेंट है. x cos y by x into y dx plus x dy equal to y sin y by x into x dy minus y dx. It is homogeneous equation or not? X cos y by x. Number C. Problem number C. X cos y by x x into y dx x dy equal to y sin 1 by x into x dy minus y dx. Okay. This is the differential equation. First of all, tell me it is homogeneous or not. So, and for that reason, first of all,
Yes, sir.
yes. Why?
Sir, degrees are same.
Degree same also, क्योंकि in the theory dy dx can be written in this form, f of y by x. It is the theory. So first of all, try to write this dy dx equal to dx coefficient of dx. you can write coefficient of dx. Coefficient of dx is here. Coefficient of dx is x y cos y by x. Okay, x y cos y by x. So x cos y by x here. X cos y by x into y dx. Coefficient of dx. Here coefficient of dx is minus y square sin 1 by x. So plus y sin 1 by x into y. Coefficient of dx देखो यार, look at here coefficient of dx. here एक dx, here एक dx. Okay, so coefficient of dx is x y cos y by x minus y square sin 1 by x dx. तो माइनस इस तरफ ले आइए तो प्लस हो जाएगी. So x y cos y by x cos y by x dx plus y square sin 1 by x dx. Okay, clear? dx इधर है, dx into this, and coefficient of dy is x y sin 1 by x. So sin 1 by x into y क्या है, x into y. So y sin 1 by x right first, and next here dy x square cos y by x. So plus x cos y by x, and right hand side में x. Okay, is it clear? मैं स्टेप जंप किया है, तुम डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेटिंग एंड देन यू विल गेट दिस dx into something and dy into something लिखकर dy dx equal to this.
Yes, এবার y equals to v দিলে হয়ে যাবে.
So then here look at here, this is a function of y by x, yes or not? This is a function of y by x. If we divide both the sides by x cos y by x, this can be written as cos y by x. Both the sides by x. If we divide both the sides by x, so y by x into sin of y by x, and here sin of y by x into y by x coefficient of dy is this, here minus आएगी, x cos y is इधर minus dy y by x. So dy into cos y by x y by x. Clear? Y by x is there, y by x, this is this, y by x. Okay, and if we divide by x, cos y by x plus y by x into this, and here y by x into this minus x cancel cos y by x, this. So this is the function of y by x. dy dx equal to function of y by x. Clear? Next, you have to put y equal to vx only, and take y equal to vx. Putting y equal to vx. So dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx equal to cos v plus v sin v by v sin v minus cos v into v. Okay. Okay. Clear all of you? So x dv dx equal to cos b plus b sin b into b multiplication b sin b minus cos b minus b. So first this is LCM, and after product you will get a simplified form also. So which implies x dv dx equal to v sin v minus cos v, यार cos v v cos v माइनस, अच्छा एक लाइन लिखो, माइनस v स्क्वायर sin v प्लस v स्क्वायर sin v कैंसिल, सो v cos v प्लस v cos v, 2v cos v, v square sin v minus v square sin v cancel, so 2v cos v by this I get ultimately, which implies so dv v sin v minus cos v by v cos v into dv equal to dx by x into 2. Okay, which implies v sin v, if we divide this is sin v by cos v means tan v minus 1 by v into dv equal to 2 into dx by x. And next you will get easily integrate this. Here 2 log x, here sin v by cos v, cos integration of cos is minus sin, so minus log of cos v minus log of v equal to 2 log x, and log c you will get log c इधर और इधर कुछ भी, plus log c if you get left hand side then you will get simplified form. So 1 log 2 log x, so x into v cos v into x, v cos v x v cos v x square v cos v equal to c. X square v means y by x, cos v means cos y by x equal to c, which implies x y cos y by x equal to c. Okay, any problem? Just calculation, तुम खुद को अपने वजह से कैलकुलेट कीजिए and you will get the required answer. All of you clear? Any problem? Okay, so that's all today. Thank you all. Our next class we study Bernoulli's equation. Okay, you can do it in our next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, up to
Sir,
this any
note.
problem? Yes, tell me.
Sir, here
Note send
integration of
करिएगा.
10x is ln sec x 10v.
हाँ,
So first, third, fourth step.
by sec x equals to 1 by cos x का पावर -1 बाहर आ गया तो माइनस
yes.
लॉग cos x.
You can think in this way also. Tan v means integration tan v means you can sin v by cos v dv. You can think in this way also. Cos v, derivative of cos v is minus sin v, here minus, so you can minus of log cos v. Okay, you can think in this way also. Tan v means log sec v. Log sec v means 1 by cos v. Log 1 is 0. So log of
Yes,
sec
sir. Yes, sir.
theta
Okay,
means
sir.
1 by
Yes,
cos
sir.
theta. Log 1 minus log cos theta. In this way you can think. Okay, or anybody have any problem? Yes. All of you, हम भूल गया था, forget about this. Attendance, your attendance roll number, your name and roll number, please in chat box सबका रोल नंबर अटेंडेंस दे दीजिए, ठीक है. क्योंकि TA मार्क्स रहता है उसका। यस क्या अटेंडेंस इन चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए सबका नाम एंड डिपार्टमेंट, डिपार्टमेंट वाइज लिखेंगे, कंप्लीट रोल नंबर, नेम विद डिपार्टमेंट। जैसे EC समथिंग होता है ना, EC 204001 ऐसे कुछ, नेम एंड डिपार्टमेंट लिख दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में, क्योंकि सबको अटेंडेंस देना है, अटेंडेंस मैंडेटरी। ओके, सब चैट बॉक्स में अटेंडेंस लिख दीजिए। और इस टॉपिक के बारे में किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है, क्वेश्चन है तो बता दीजिए। डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन अच्छे से पढ़ना, क्योंकि यहाँ से गेट में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आता है, ठीक है, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम यहाँ से कॉन्सेप्चुअल होता है, बहुत इजी रहता है, इसलिए सही से पढ़ना डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। थैंक यू ऑल। और किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो
सर
सबका रोल नंबर लिख दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में। है यस
স্যার ইন্টিগ্রেটিং ফ্যাক্টর অফ এনি ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন যেটা আগের দিন বলেছেন স্যার ওটা একবার বলে দেন।
इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर मीन्स
ইন্টিগ্রেটিং ফ্যাক্টর অফ এনি ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন